Hello WABAM you. Today we're going to be talking about WABAM's glass cleaner called Glass. It is ammonia free, streak free. It is safe on tint, plexiglass, polycarbonate, you name it. Really awesome foaming glass cleaner. Just give it a good shake and foam it up. Now you can spray it directly on the window or spray it in your rag. Then you can also use a normal microfiber or go get yourself one of WABAM's glass microfibers. You're spraying it in the rag. And there is WABAM's glass cleaner.